This is how to use the calculator to solve simultaneous equation in three variables. So the first thing you do is to press on mode. Then you select number 5, which stands for equations. Then you select number 2. So number 2 is used to solve simultaneous equation in three variables. Then over here we have A, B, C, and D. So D is over here. So the A, B, C, and D are constant, they are numbers. So looking at the first question, we are going to compute the coefficient of the variables plus the constant. So the coefficient of x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, and we also have 6 as d. Then we come to the second equation. So the second equation, the coefficient of x is 2, y is 1, z is -1, and we also have 1. And lastly, the coefficient of x here is 3, -2, 1, and also 2. So when we are done, then we use the equal to sign to repress the equal to sign again. So the value for x is 1, the value for y is 2, and the value for z is 3. Then we press on the equal to again. Now if you want to move on to the next question and you want to clear everything, you also use to press on the AC. Now looking at the second question, here the variables here are A, B, and C. So we are going to assume A as x, B as y, and C as z. So we are going to compute the coefficient of the variables plus the constant. So we have 1, 2, 1, and 8. Then we come to equation 2. So equation 2, the coefficient of A is 2, B is -1, C is 1, and D is 3. Then we come to equation 3. So equation 3, we have 3, 1, -2, and also 1. When we are done, then we press on the equal to sign. But if you want to move, in case you made a mistake and if you want to move to that particular cell and change the number, we use the arrow keys to do that. So you can use the arrow keys to move between them. When you are done with your correction, then you press on the equal to. So the value for x is 13/10. So over here our x is A. So A is 13/10, B is 21/10, and C is 5/2. Thank you for watching.